In this video, I'll show you how to check the read and write speed of your hard drives in Windows 11, but this also works with Windows 10 as well. So join me, Mark, a network engineer with 26 years experience working for ISPs, managed service providers and corporations. So let's get started. So first off, we can see I've got a Windows 11 system here, and we've got an SSD, a traditional hard drive, or a spindle drive as we like to call it, and an external hard drive as well. Okay, so first of all, we need to identify our drive. So if we go down to the start button here, right click this time and go into disk manager. So that's going to come up, and let's drag that in so we can see those. Okay, so obviously I've got a number of drives here, but the main one you're looking for is your C drive. So this is classed as this is going to be the drive that you boot from, where Windows is installed on. So that's our C drive here, which is the SSD, which is here. And then we've got the E drive, which is here, and that's our traditional spindle drive as they call it. And then we've also got the H drive here, which is an external drive. So now we want to test the speed and performance of these drives. So let's just minimize this. So now to test the read and write speed, what we need to do is go down to the search and type CMD. This time come up to the command prompt, but right click this time, and then you want to select run as administrator. You may get this box that appears, just say yes to continue, and up comes our command prompt. So first off, let's test the SSD. So what we're going to need to do is run the following command. Like I say, all the commands will be in the description as usual, but this is the command we need to run. So it's winsat and then disk, and then the disk that we want to do, so minus drive, and then we're starting with the C drive, so it's just C. Okay, and then press enter. Now it's going to go ahead and do a speed test there. Like I say, it will take a few seconds, and we've got our results down here. So what we can see is obviously what the test did, but we've got our read speed, which is 2510, so 2510.29 meg there, and the write speed is 114476 meg. So that's how we do that one. And if I so if we do go back to the command prompt here, we'll do the next drive, which is the E drive, and let's say it's the traditional spindle drive. So do the exact same command again. You can do an up arrow, which will show you the last command that you used, and we said that was the E drive. So let's put E in there and do the test here. Obviously I'm expecting it to be slower than the SSD, so it might take a little longer to run. Okay, that's perfect. Let's take these results. So the read on this one, as you can see, is 55.87, and the write was actually faster at 133.69. Okay, and then for our final test, we're going to test the external drive here, which, as I said, is H drive here. So up arrow again, and let's see what we get. So I would say this is running through USB 3, so I'm expecting it's not going to top the table, but I'm expecting it to be faster than the legacy drive. So let's see what we get. Okay, yes. So read speed was 186.62, and write speed quite close to each other, actually 187.85. So in conclusion, what have we learned? Well, pretty much I think we all knew before doing the test that the SSD drive was going to be the fastest drive, with speeds of 2500 for the read and write at over 1100. And in second place, the external hard drive with just under 200 for both read and write. And in third, unfortunately, the traditional legacy spindle drive at 55 meg for the read and 133 for the write speed. But it wasn't a competition. The idea of the video is just to show you how you can actually do a speed test today for free using Windows command itself. Like I say, if you've enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button and like the video. That would be really appreciated, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.